We are going to share the secret formula with you, and the best thing about this formula is that you don't have to spend too much money on expensive products. You just need two simple ingredients, water and some magnesium chloride. You should definitely try it because this home recipe will change your life. Magnesium chloride is a mineral which is obtained from negatively charged chlorine and positively charged magnesium. The daily intake of magnesium chloride can cause a chemical balance in our body, which is obtained by a chemical process in the human body called electrolysis. The consumption of magnesium chloride can help you expel uric acid from your body, which can cause terrible joint pain. Magnesium chloride health benefits: enhances weight loss, increases energy, increases libido, alleviates depression, protects against the flu and the common cold, protects against osteoporosis, enhances digestion, removes menstrual problems, alleviates headaches, protects blood vessels, rejuvenates the organism. Magnesium chloride home remedy recipe. This mixture is very simple and easy to make. The first thing you should do when you wake up in the morning is to put 1 litre of water in a pot and bring it to boil. Then when the water starts to boil, remove it from heat and leave it until it reaches room temperature. When the water reaches room temperature, you should put 33 grams of magnesium chloride powder, which you can buy from any local pharmacy. And before you start using this remedy, you need to know your exact dosage. This is extremely important. The exact dose is measured by the age of all those who consume this remedy. Consuming this remedy will provide many different medicinal and healing benefits for the consumers. The magnesium chloride homemade remedy should be consumed accordingly to consumer's age. People between 10 and 40 years, just half a cup in the morning. People between 40 and 70 years, 1 cup in the morning. 70 years and older people, 1 cup in the morning and another cup at night. Please subscribe to our channel and also share it with your friends. Do not forget to check out more videos which will appear shortly.